Okay, guys. No worries. Sabinus is safe and sound.
No weapon.
No, nothing that happened. I'm safe and sound. You know, easy. Imagine when driving on your own lane. Get a new car.
Investors right.
Investors wild. So, God is in charge. God is in charge. God is in charge. Nothing that happened. I give thanks to God for everything. Man, this is my first time of having an accident. I never get accident before. My first time. And this one, I don't even know how it happened. How another car go just from another place.
Enter your lane.
Like, imagine you're coming this way. Car that is going this way comes from that way and it's in Lagos for you, but no wahala. We did.